How to share iPhone location on iOS 26. This can be done without using your internet. Mainly if you don't have access to internet, you can still share your location with someone to know the exact location you are being located. So go and locate the compass app on your iPhone. Tap and hold for a few seconds. Tap and copy this button. Now go to the message or to the fellow you want to send your message to. So let me tap on this guy. Tap and hold for a few seconds, then tap on paste. Then tap on this share button. That you'll be able to send this to this fellow. Now, that guys or the fellow you send your message to will be able to locate your location by go to maps. Let's locate maps. So tap on maps. Now that I've tapped on maps, paste the location you sent, then tap on search. So doing this guys, your location, exact location where you send that message will be identified or accessed using his or her phone. So guys, if you get this tip and not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.